With an aging generation, it's important to think about how to protect your real estate and assets from unforeseen seizures. One issue that surprises a lot of families is something called Medicaid Estate Recovery. Here's what that is. If someone receives long term care benefits through Medicaid, like nursing home care or certain in home services, the state is required by federal law to try to recover those costs after the person passes away. That recovery often comes from the person's estate, and for many people, the biggest asset in the estate is their home. That means a house you plan to pass down to your children can be forced to sell to reimburse Medicaid. This catches families off guard all the time. Now, let's talk about what a trust is. A trust is a legal structure where assets are held by a trustee for the benefit of someone else. When done properly, the trust, not you personally, owns the property. There are two main types: revocable and irrevocable. A revocable trust does not protect assets from Medicaid recovery. The state still considers those assets yours. An irrevocable trust is different. When you place real estate into an irrevocable trust, you are giving up ownership and control of that asset. Because you no longer own it, the property is typically not considered part of your estate for Medicaid recovery purposes. That's the key. If the home isn't in your estate, there's nothing for Medicaid to recover against. Now, there are important rules. There's a 5-year look back period, meaning you can't transfer assets at the last minute and expect protection. This is long term planning, not emergency planning. Also, once assets are in an irrevocable trust, you can't just change your mind and take them back. This is why it's critical to work with an experienced elder law or estate planning attorney. Before I wrap up, a quick disclaimer. This information is for general educational purposes only. It's not legal, tax, or financial advice. Medicaid and estate planning laws vary by state and by individual situation, so you should always consult with a qualified attorney before setting up a trust or making asset protection decisions. The takeaway is simple. If real estate is a major part of your wealth, and for most families it is, an irrevocable trust can be a powerful tool to protect that property from Medicaid estate recovery and preserve it for the next generation. Planning early gives you options. Waiting often takes them away.